Okay, click on OK. So today concept is quality center. Today concept is quality center. Quality center. Quality center is a management tool. Class quality center is a management tool. It will manage the it will manage the total testing process. It will manage the total testing process. So that's the reason we are calling it is a management tool. It is a management tool. Actually, only bug tracking purpose we are using Bugzilla or Jira. Bugzilla or Jira. Bugzilla, comma Jira. Bugzilla or Jira they will use some companies, but most 90% of companies they will use Quality Center. Why they are using Quality Center? Whenever you are facing the interview, also that time they may ask you like, why did you choose, why did you use, or why are you using Quality Center? They may ask you why are you using Quality Center. If I use Bugzilla Jira, I can use for only bug tracking purpose. I can use for only bug tracking purpose. Only bug tracking purpose. If I use Bugzilla or Jira, I can use for only bug tracking purpose. If I use Quality Center, if I use Quality Center, Quality Center will provide four types of facilities. If I use Quality Center QC provides four types of facilities. Four types of facilities. One is bug tracking tool facility. Second one is common repository facility. Common repository facility. Traceability matrix facility. Automatic graph generation facility. Four types of facilities it is providing. That's the reason we are using Quality Center. So if I use Bugzilla or Jira, I can use for only bug tracking tool purpose. If I use Quality Center provides four types of facilities: bug tracking tool facility, common repository facility, traceability matrix facility, automatic graph generation facility. First, before going to what is traceability matrix? What is traceability matrix? Traceability matrix is nothing but it contains some table of linking information which is used for tracing back for the reference, tracing back for the reference whenever there is a questionable situation. Whenever there is a questionable situation. Situation. It contains table of linking information which is used for tracing back for the reference whenever there is a questionable situation. If you face any doubt, we can trace back for the reference. We can trace back for the reference. So in traceability matrix, we have two uses. One is all the requirements covered or not, we can identify, and from which requirement we got the defect, we can easily identify. So from which requirement we got the defect, we can identify, as well as and all the requirements, all the customer requirements are covered or not. Using this traceability matrix we can identify. So Quality center is a management tool. Actually, this is developed by Mercury people. Actually, this is developed by Mercury people in
Correct.
1994. So after that, in 2007, HP people take over this one. So now we can say it is a HP quality center. We can call HP quality center.
HP.
So quality center is nothing but just like it is a folder or almar or shelf or table, so we can keep the information and we can take the information. Just everything we need to do manually only, just like it is a folder, we will keep the information and we can take the information, just like almar or shelf or table. So just like it is a just we can keep the information and we can take the information, so it will not do anything, just like it is a template. Simply we can say it is a template. Already predefined fields is there, just we will fill the information. Just like quality center is a folder, here is no scripting language, here is no scripting language, here is no scripting
No
language.
script.
And quality center don't know Telugu, quality center don't know English, quality center don't know anything. Quality center don't know anything, that means here is no scripting language. That means quality center don't know anything. Quality center it is a, like a folder or template or shelf or almar or table, just we can keep the information, we can take the information. So if you want to work with quality center, compulsory we need username and password. If you want to work with quality center, we need username and password. Whenever you are working with the quality center, so each and every software company, that company people will be provided username and password. Using that username and password, we can work with the quality center. But here is no admin people, here is no admin people, we need to create username and we need to create username and password. So whenever you are working with the software company, that company people will be give you username and password. Using that username and password, we can enter into quality center, but here is no admin people. So first of all, here we will learn site administration activities also. Actually, whenever we are working with the software company, that time no need, but here is no admin people. So first of all, we need to create username and password. Using username and password, we can enter into quality center. So how to create username and password? That is the site administration activities, that are site administration activities. Actually working real time, there is no need, so that the company people will be provide all those things. But right now here is no admin people, so first of all we need to work with how to work with site administration also, we will learn. Okay, right. So go to site administration. So already I installed quality center, I installed quality center as well as. So whenever installing quality center, automatically we can get quality center icon as well as site administration icon also. So first we need to click on site administration. So it will be very slow. Whenever you are working with real time software company also, it will be slowly, it will.
How much big is this, sir?
Which one?
How big is this
Software size.
software?
Software size I
Yeah.
think 403 MB. Through
Okay.
TeamViewer I can send you, sir. So
Okay. Okay.
whenever installing site administration, I give username is SA, password also SA. Okay, whenever installing site administration, I give username SA, password SA. So just click on login.
This is been already created.
No. Whenever installing quality center, it will ask you site administration
Okay.
password, username and password. I gave SA, password also I gave SA. This is the trial version, sir. It will be only 1 month. Only 1 month. Your license key will expire in 30 days. Just half an hour back, I installed this one. So just your license will be expire in 30 days. After 30 days, once again we can use, but we need to change the system timings. So this quality center installation date we should mention on desktop. So compulsory you should remember. So we can change the date. So if you
Mhm.
change the date, it will work once again 1 month. Okay, all right. So first of all, Here we have some options. First, we need to create the domain. First, we need to create the domain. Next, site users. Next, site projects. Site users and site project. And create project. We have 4 options here. Only we will use these 4 options here. So first, we need to create the create domain. Just click on create domain. It will ask you domain name, banking domain. Click on OK. I gave only domain. I gave only domain, banking domain. Next, click on site users. So click on new user. Click on new user. Here we have an option plus button. That is a new user option. Here we have an option new user option. New user option. Click on plus button.
The list of things is been created, right?
Oh no.
Users.
This is the default users.
Ah,
Default users. So quality whenever installing quality center, so default users will be there. So all are Alex QC, Alex something names. So not at I created this is the first user. I'm creating Akhil. So I'm creating one user. That username is Akhil. Click on OK and keep the password for Akhil. Keep the password for Akhil. Click on password. Click on password. I'm creating password Akhil.
for
Username,
this user.
username, password both. I'm mentioning same. I will forget. That's the reason. Username is Akhil. Password also Akhil. Retype password Akhil. Click
So
on hmm,
this password is only for this user,
only for this user.
only for this project.
Only for this project. So this is applicable. So whenever you are working with a software company, that company people will be, for example, we got one X project. In the X project, you are the one of the member. So they will create username and password. They will give you. So then using that username and password, you can access that project information.
Mhm.
So this user is applicable for only this particular project. Okay, only particular project. Okay, using this username and password, you can access this particular project only. After this project, so they will create another username and they will give you. Only you are in project, they will give separate accounts. In this project, developers will be here and testers will be here, other admin people will be here, HR department people will be here, everything, all the people will be here. So in this project, if it is any project, so number of people involvement will be there, like developers, testers, business analysts, test lead, project lead, admin people, HR department people, technical department people, all the people will be in this project. So Akhil is a tester. Click on OK. I'm creating another developer. Raj. Raj. He is the developer, for example. Raj is a developer. Click on OK. Create password for Raj. 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 Click on OK. Password created, password changed successfully. Okay, I created 2 users only. So in this project, if you want 100 users, you can create 100 users. If you want in this project 1,000 users, you can create 1,000 users. So there is no limitation. So whatever you are creating, or the total information will be stored in quality center only. So there is no information on desktop or E drive or C drive. So that means it is a common repository. Whatever you are doing anything, so it will store in quality center only. That means it is a common repository facility. Okay, if you do any work, that information, entire work will be stored in quality center only.
Quality center itself.
Hmm. So I give username Raj, password also Raj. Create the password. Already I give or not? Raj.
I think
It's over, I think.
mm,
Raj. Click on OK. Right. Password changes successfully. Okay, right. So these users, these developers and these testers, I need into one project. So click on side projects. Click on side projects. Click on side projects. Create project. Click on create project. Create an empty project. Click on next. Project name I am giving Metro. Project name is I am giving Metro. Click on next. Click on next. Click on OK. So now assign the users in this project. So I need Raj is the developer, Akhil tester, Alex something, admin people, Alice is something, Alice. So is the HR department. For example, I'm taking only two users, one developer, one tester, and along with I'm taking extra staff also. Click on next. So we need to assign into this particular project. So click on next. Click on create. So this is the activities. This is the activities done by admin people only. No need to do in real time. Okay. So that admin people will
mm,
be create username and password. They will give it to you. So just using that username and password, you can enter into quality center.
mm. Okay.
So we created one domain and we created site users and we assigned into one project. We assigned into one project.
This whole process done by admin.
Admin people.
We don't.
They will give username and password. Using that username and password, we can enter into project. We can get a message project created successfully. Yes. Project created successfully. Click on OK. Click on logout. No need. Now go to quality center. Go to quality center.
మీ సిస్టంలో టైం తప్పున్నట్టుంది సార్.
Yes. Why? Because if you want to work with go to meeting, compulsory that should be Canada time. Canada time, just like where I just another country time. I need to maintain.
Yesterday date. Yeah.
Yesterday only. So another state. Yes, I'm giving username is Akhil. I'm the tester. I'm entering into my. I'm using my username and password. I want to enter into quality center. I'm entering Akhil. Password also Akhil. Click on authenticate. Automatically we can get domain name and a project name. Yes. Are you getting, sir? Domain name is banking domain,
Yes,
project name
yes.
is Metro. Okay. I entered
Metro
only username and
login.
password. I'm clicking on authenticate button. So it is showing domain and project name. Click on finish.
Project.
Just click on close. This is the quality center. So previously, previously we called it is a test director. Actually, we called as a test director. Actually, initially they released as test director, sir. Initially they released test director, and after that they changed. They added two modules and they changed name quality center QC. And the latest version of quality center is ALM. ALM means application lifecycle management. Latest version of quality center is ALM.
Quality center.
ALM means application lifecycle management.
Application cycle
So
management.
if it is test direct, initially we have only four modules. One is requirements, test plan, test lab, defects. If it is quality center, also having four modules: requirements. They added two more modules. One is requirements, test plan, test lab, defects, dashboard. Next, business components. We have six modules. If it is quality center, we have six modules. In ALM also we have six modules. One, two, three, four, five, six. Same to same. So now go to quality center. First, we can get it here. We can get requirements, test plan, test lab, defects. Four modules we have. First, click on requirement tab and select the first requirement. Sorry, main requirement. So this is the main requirement. Beside one is child requirement. First one is main requirement. Second one is child requirement. Click on main requirement. I'm writing the application. I'm writing the requirements for calculate application. So that's the reason I gave only cal. Click on submit. I want to work with some application. So that application name I am giving, or directly we can give the requirement also. But usually I'm using, or in real time also they can use they will use, like they will mention the project name or page name or application name they will mention. So I'm working with application calculator, so that's the reason I mentioned calculator. Take the child requirement now. Beside one child requirement, I'm taking one child requirement. Child requirement is customer is giving add button should work fine, is giving and requirement add button should work fine. Click on submit. And I want to take one more requirement. Just select the main requirement and click on child requirement. Clear should be big. I'm writing two requirements. Clear should be big. Clear should be big. Click on submit. Click on submit. I wrote two requirements. Actually, whenever you are working with a software company, the company people will be buy some add-in, require add-in, they will add some add-in, they will buy one add-in. So that add-in, using that add-in we can import the requirements from other location, we can export the requirements to other location. So if you want buy this add-in nearly 1.5 lakh rupees, so that's the reason I'm not uh, bought. So that's the reason only just I'm writing manually. So if it is software company, they may buy or we can write the your requirements all are manually. Okay.
Hmm.
So here we have an option file import and export. We can import the requirements and export the requirements, right? I wrote two requirements. Here is status is not covered, not covered, not covered. Requirement one, requirement two, requirement three. Author is Akhil Reddy. Reviewed, not reviewed. Created creation time something, and creation date is mentioning. So everything it will store. Okay, right. Go to go to test plan. Go to test plan. Go to test plan. Just wait. It is loading. Test plan is very important. Just remember all the steps. Here is very confusing sometimes, so just wait. And take main folder. That main folder name is plan, and taking one folder, that folder name is plan. Click on OK. In this I'm taking two subfolders. One is plan one. Click on OK. Another one plan two, and taking subfolder, select the main folder, and to take the subfolder, that is plan two. Click on OK. Go to plan one. Now here, if it is manual testing, just click on design steps. Just click on design steps.
Designs.
Design steps. Just click on design steps. Now click on plus button. Now I am writing test case. Add. Expected. What is customer expecting? Add button should be work fine.
Should work for fine.
Add button should work fine. Add button should work fine. Click on OK. Add button should work fine. Next, write the test cases for second one. Second requirement is
Uh,
clear should be big.
Clear should be big.
Clear. What is customer expecting? Clear should be big. Clear should be big. Click on OK. So I wrote two requirements and two test cases. Now select plan one. Go to, this is very important. Just click on requirement coverage. Just click on requirement coverage. Select the requirement. Click on umbrella option. Select that requirement. Add button should work fine. That is the first test case I wrote. So attach this. Just click on attach button. Okay, over. Come to plan 2. Plan 2. Select
Design
requirement
steps.
requirement coverage. So plan 2. What is that? Clear should be big.
Clear, big.
Attach it. Same.
Attach. Attach means the arrow mark.
No arrow mark. Just go. It will attach.
Okay.
Clear should be big. Okay. Over. Test plan is over. In this test plan, we created one main folder. In this main folder, we created two subfolders. One is plan 1 and plan 2, and we wrote test cases. And just we went to
Attach.
attach the requirement. We can attach the requirement. So that means
To
we
where,
need to
sir?
click on requirement coverage. So then we can get
Yeah.
these options. Then we can first requirement, first test case, second requirement, test case, second test case. Okay.
Okay. So we attach it, sir. We attach it. So it means where we attach it to.
Requirement. Attach it with requirement.
Okay. Okay.
Why? Because already I told you, traceability matrix. It contains table of linking information. So if you attach it, then only the traceability matrix will work. Otherwise, it will not work.
Hmm.
Now go to test lab.
So once we done test plan, we need to close the application whole thing.
No, 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 no. No need to close.
No.
No.
Okay.
It is loading, sir.
Yeah. Sir, as you told me, in the quality center you have a six options, which is requirement,
Yeah,
test plan, test
that
detects,
remaining
and
one is back end, sir.
uh-huh.
It will work
Component
back end.
business components. Yeah.
Yes. Now take main folder one. Folder name is lab. I'm taking. Click on OK. I'm taking subfolders. One is lab one. Click on OK. Select the main requirement. Take subfolder.
Lab 2.
Lab 2. Click on OK. Select the lab one. And here plan window. Here it's this side we can get plan window, sir. Just lab one to plan one. Attach it. Just in this test lab we are keeping in one folder. So this test case we are keeping in one folder. This test case we are keeping in one folder. So attach it. So here is status is it is showing no run. So just run it. So we can get run option. Just click on run. Now already we wrote expired value. So actual value after developing the application came to testing area. Whatever we are getting that value we will write here. Just click on begin run. Just click on begin run. Now actual value after developer application came to testing area. That time we will write this actual value. Add not working. Actual value developer application came to testing area. That time we will write actual value. Add not working. Stop running. Stop running. So it will update the status. We need to update the status. Everything we need to do manually. Already I told you it is a folder. You're not completed. So just I'm giving status failed. Actual value and expired value both are not same. I'm giving status failed. See. Now go to requirements and refresh it. This failed information will update in requirement page. Go refresh. Click on refresh. Automatically it will update. Go failed.
Failed.
So that is called traceability matrix. So we change the status in test lab. So in the requirements tab, we are getting failed status. So that is called traceability matrix. Traceability matrix is nothing but it contains table of linking information which is used for tracing back for the reference whenever there is a questionable situation. So that is the use. One of the traceability matrix common repository is over. Third one, come to defect module. Come to defects module. Come to defects module. So if you want to execute another test case, we can execute. Right. Now I want to raise the defect. Just click on new defect. Summary. Add. Not working. Add. Not working. Click on submit. Oh, compulsory we should mention the severity. I submit. Close. Okay. So I'm raising the defect here. Six status we have, sir. So new, closed, fixed, open, rejected, reopen. Okay, right.
Yeah.
I'm raising the defect to developer, sir. I'm raising logout. I gave status new and I raised the defect to developers.
Developers.
You are the developer, Raj. Raj is the developer, for example. Raj. Raj. So Raj, click on login.
So who is giving, sir, this one? Tester giving to them.
Ah, yes, tester is raising defect to developers.
But here you entering the password. So
Raj
so you
password.
know the.
Ah, no, no, no. Developer. I'm the developer now.
Okay, developer is doing now. Okay.
But now developer doing. Developer is entering into quality center. What happened?
Okay.
Anyone is raising the defect or what is the status? Just you want to check. So developer entering into quality center. You will go to directly defect model and you will see the status. Now you can get the status. Oh, one of the tester raised a defect. So this is not at all defect. Why? Who is the person? That who is that fellow? He raised defect. So this is rejected. So simply developer rejected. Simply developer rejected. Log out.
Rejected. How he is saying this is not a.
He's not
Um,
just he's thinking different. So he's not, customer is saying sorry, tester is raising the defect, raised defect. So my thing, my opinion, this is not at all defect.
mhm.
So he rejected. So once again, Akhil, tester. Once again, I'm testing in it. I can see the status. Click on authenticate. Click on login.
So if I raise the
Mm,
defect,
mm.
that does it go to any notification to the developer or
No, 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 no.
something like that?
It will be 24
It's
by
keep
7.
on
You will
checking.
be online. So
Uh-huh.
office timings, you should be open. Quality center is open. So then you need to check regularly.
Okay.
Test once again is checking. Okay, what is the status? I raised one defective, but what is the status? What they said? Closed. Oh, somebody rejected. Who is rejected? So we can get the status. Who is rejected? We can get the status. So here, once again, if you want to reopen, just we can reopen the defect and or reopen. Once again, we can reopen the defect also. Okay. Here we have six options. Okay. New status given by testers. Rejected given by developer. Open status given by developer. Reopen given by tester. And fixed given by developer. Close given by tester. Right. Who rejected? I want to know. Who is that fellow? Who is that fellow? I want to clear report.
Find out.
Who is rejected? Go to analysis and reports. Go to analysis and click on reports. Go to analysis. Go to analysis.
Reports.
Fixed or rejected defects.
Which one you selecting, sir? There is two options, looks to me.
Reports and graphs. Here
Fixed and rejected one you
defects.
opening.
Yes, only fixed rejected defects.
Not working on that
Wait,
option.
it is not working. This is the right option only, but sometimes it not yet loaded. Just go to analysis, reports, fix it, rejected default. Who changes the information? So we can get here only. So we have four components, sir. So four facilities. One is bug tracking tool facility, common repository facility, automatic graph generation facility, and traceability matrix facility. So this is the automatic graph generation facility. Automatically it will generate the graphs.
Okay.
Graphs reports. No, 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 no. It is loading. Still it is loading. Normally it will be very slow, and as well as I'm accessing from another. Just I'm accessing from
Through
another way.
TeamViewer.
No, no, no. TeamViewer as well as this is not my system. So the system was in lab. So now I am accessing that system through TeamViewer. We are accessing. Yes, reports, graphs. It will generate. It will take time some. So rejected defect only one. Reject defect only one. Now go to reports once again. Yes, we got the information. Right. Now loaded. So actually, first raised by Akhil. So new status, but somebody rejected. Who is that? Raj. Changer Raj. Old value new. New value rejected. Got it, sir?
Okay, sir.
That is quality center.
So which means you mean we need to click the first option in the reports. It
Hmm.
doesn't work. So if you click the graphs,
Hmm.
it works. Does it anything
Yeah, no,
relation
no, 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 no.
or
There is no relation, but it will generate the report some slowly. That is the thing.